So AI obviously changes everything that has to do with documents, research, intelligence, structuring information. So it will have a huge role to play in the process of fundraising. I don't think it's going to change the process of fundraising simply because of what I have explained. It's a process of people. People believing in a joint mission, a vision, something that is not done today, having compatible skills and building a great team. So I think you can approach a great team, you can approach investors, you can research and understand investors better with AI, quicker, but I don't think it's going to change the building of a relationship. At the end of the day, I don't know you, you don't know me. How do we build trust? Question, answer, understanding the other person. There's a very human element to it. I'm not totally sure that Mark Andreessen is right to saying that VC is the last industry that will not be affected by AI. I think with better preparation, better knowledge of the investors, you accelerate this matchmaking.